and welcome. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to see a festive makeup look with Lakme products. Everybody knows about Lakme brand. It is Indian and the quality is amazing. So today we're going to see a complete full face of festive makeup look with Lakme products. So all these products which I'm going to use are of affordable range, and the shades as well is for my skin tone, which is a medium to dusky skin tone. So let's see how the outcome looks. So let's get started. I have already cleansed and moisturized my face. So we will start with the primer. This is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. This is more like a tinted primer. It's giving you an immediate glow, as you can see, and it's giving you a mattifying finish. So it is not sticky, it's not really heavy. It's like perfect. I have two concealers. One is of shade Walnut and one is of shade Cinnamon. So I'll be using the Walnut shade to cover my pigmentation, that is my dark circles or any pigmentation over my face. So I'm not using any color corrector or anything. This is a darker shade concealer, so I will be using this today. And I'll use my beauty blender to blend in the concealer. So you can see this is really blending in so beautifully. So let's get on to the foundation. So for foundation, I will be using the Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. So this is the primer plus matte perfect cover foundation. I have two shades. One is warm caramel and one is warm natural. So warm natural is a bit lighter shade compared to caramel. So let me first swatch these in my hands and I'll show you how the shades are. So this is the warm natural. I'll swatch it on my face as well. This is warm caramel. So I think warm caramel will really go well with my skin tone. So warm natural is a little bit lighter. So today I will use the warm caramel foundation. I will apply it all over my face and then I will blend it. I'll take this beauty blender and blend the foundation. So I think this shade is actually perfect for my skin tone. So this is warm caramel. Now I'll be using the cinnamon shade concealer. I have applied it on my high points to give a highlighted look. Now I'm going to use this on my eyelids as a base for my eye makeup. Next, we need to set the base, the foundation and concealer which we have applied. So for that, I will be using the Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte powder foundation, which is also called as a compact. So this is of shade Honey Dew. I will be using a powder brush to go ahead and use this compact, and I will set the base. Next, let's get on to the eye makeup. So for the eye makeup, I'll be using the Lakme Spotlight eyeshadow palette, and this is of shade Smokin' Glam. So these are the shades which you can see in this palette. So this palette is really good to do a smoky eyed makeup. So let's try a smoky eyed makeup simple look today. So before going ahead with the eyeshadow palette, I will be using this kohl pencil. I will be applying this as an eyeliner first, and then I will smudge it. Next, I'll take a smudger brush and I will smudge the kohl which I have applied. Now I'll use the black shade from this palette. Next, I'll take this brown shade and I will apply it on my crease and I will blend it along with the black eyeshadow. Now I'll take this lighter shade and I will apply it above my crease and blend all the three colors together. Next, I'll be taking this golden shade. I'll use my fingers and I will apply it in the lid, in the center of my lid. Now again, I'm going to blend everything properly so there is no harsh lines. So slowly you need to blend so that the colors don't mix up too much. I'll take a little more of the dark brown shade and I'll apply it at the outer V, so it gives a smoky effect. Next, we'll apply the kajal. So this is the Lakme Iconic Kajal. I'll take a small pencil brush and I'll apply the dark brown shade under my waterline. Let's apply the mascara. Before that, I'll be curling my lashes. This is also the iconic curling mascara from Lakme. So we are done with the eye makeup. Next, we'll do some contouring, highlighting and blushing. So for that, I'll be using the Lakme Facelift palette. So these are the three shades which are there in this palette. So I'll start with the contour. So you need to apply the contour below your cheekbone and in your jawline and also your nose. Contouring will help you to define your face better. It will help you to showcase your features even better. If there are any harsh lines created while using the contour, you can use a beauty blender and you can go ahead and blend it properly. Next, we'll use the blush. So blush, you need to apply it over your cheekbone. So you can blend this along with your contour. Again, if you feel the product is more, you can go ahead and use your beauty blender and you can just blend it. Next, we'll go to the highlighter. Highlighter, we need to use it on the high points of our face. That is on top of your cheekbone, your nose, your forehead, your upper lips and your chin. So let's go ahead and use it. Okay, so this highlighter is nicely pigmented. You can see this. So you can see the difference after using the contour, bronze and highlighter, how your face is well defined. Okay, I will be applying this highlighter below my eyebrows and also in the inner corner of my eyes now. So again, if you think the products which are applied on your face are more, you can go ahead and use your beauty blender and blend it well, or you can go ahead and use your powder brush and dust off the excess powder or any product which you have applied on your face. So I'm going to use this powder brush now. So the final step is lipstick. I'm using this Lakme Glitterati lipstick. So this is the new launch from Lakme for the Lakme Fashion Week. So I'm going to be using this, and this is of shade Ruby Red. So this is a really lovely color, so all the red lipstick lovers will definitely love this lipstick. So that's the completed look. So this is the completed festive makeup look with Lakme products. I liked all the products. So mine is an oily skin and all the products which I've used so far is suiting me really well. So if you're planning to buy Lakme products, you can please go ahead, and all of these products are in the affordable range. I will be providing you the details of the products which I've used today in the description box, so you can go ahead and look at it. If you liked this video, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.